नमस्कार, आपको बता दें कि राजधानी दिल्ली के डीएलएफ प्रोमेनेड मॉल में अग्रणी वैश्विक ब्रांड एल्डो ने भव्य उद्घाटन किया। इस खास मौके पर बॉलीवुड की मशहूर अभिनेत्री एल्डो की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर जानवी कपूर मौजूद रही। जानवी कपूर ने डीएलएफ प्रोमेनेड स्थित एल्डो स्टोर का दौरा किया, जहां उन्होंने ब्रांड के प्रति अपने प्यार का जश्न प्रशंसकों के साथ मनाया। उन्होंने अपने पसंदीदा एल्डो फुटवियर और हैंडबैग्स को प्रदर्शित किया। अपैरल ग्रुप ने दिल्ली में अपने लोकप्रिय फुटवियर और एक्सेसरीज ब्रांड एल्डो के जरिए एक हाई इम्पैक्ट ब्रांड एक्टिवेशन को सफलतापूर्वक अंजाम दिया। एल्डो, जो अपने क्षेत्र में अपैरल ग्रुप के विविध ब्रांड पोर्टफोलियो का प्रमुख हिस्सा है, यही वजह है कि यह ब्रांड इस क्षेत्र के युवाओं के बीच बेहद पसंद किया जाता है। यह विशेष ब्रांड एंगेजमेंट एल्डो की भारत में बढ़ती उपस्थिति और उपभोक्ताओं के साथ गहराते संबंधों का उत्सव था। आधुनिक महिलाओं और पुरुषों के लिए तैयार किया गया ये कलेक्शन स्टाइल और सुविधा का बेहतरीन मेल है। इसमें पिलो वॉक कंफर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और डुअल डेंसिटी पैडेड इंसोल्स जैसे फीचर्स शामिल हैं, जो हर कदम को उतना ही आरामदायक बनाते हैं जितना वो दिखने में आकर्षक होता है।
My name is Arpit Kumar. I'm head of business for Aldo in India. For us, Aldo's been a brand which has been about fashion and comfort. We take a lot of pride in the comfortable yet fashionable shoes that we have for everybody across the board for all the occasions. Janvi has been with us for last 3 years. She's a perfect brand ambassador that we've had. She embodies the brand. She kind of takes pride in our association with her. She's bold. She's incredibly, effortlessly stylish, which is what Aldo is. So she's a perfect fit. We've been very happy with Janvi. And yeah, any other questions, sir? Tell me. So it's about wildness and freedom that wildflowers have in the forest, right? So that's what the brand stands for. So it's about the collection which we launched right now, being wild and being free, being available for every occasion. That's what it stands for, Aldo as a brand, and that's what it stands for Janvi for sure.
Any offer, any discount?
Any offer, any discount? Not right now, but maybe soon. अभी हम लोगों ने एक स्टोर खोला है जलंधर में. So we have 70 plus stores in India. We have 70 plus stores in India, and the latest one that we opened is in Jalandhar. Our plan is to really double the size of the business in next few years. नया खोला है ना, अभी जलंधर में खोला है, अभी और दुकानें आएंगी रायपुर में, बैंगलोर में. We have stores all over the country. So we have stores in now 27 cities. And it's all over the country. We'll continue to increase our expansion in next 3 years. अभी तो season खत्म हो गया है, so we will have a new collection that we will launch in August. जैसे season चलता है, 1st of August को नया collection launch होगा. So we'll let you know at that time. प्लस हम हर बार दिवाली के आसपास एक फेस्टिव कलेक्शन लॉन्च करते हैं दैट सस्टेन्स फॉर 3 months. सो एक दिवाली कलेक्शन लॉन्च होगा एंड ऑफ सितंबर में.
अच्छा, मार्केट में बहुत सारे तरीके के जो ब्रांडेड चीजें आ रही है, तो आप किस तरीके से अपना जो कंपटीशन मानते हैं?
Aldo, we don't have a competition. We don't believe there is a competition. मार्केट काफ़ी बड़ा है for everyone to sustain and survive. प्राइस हमारा शुरू होता है for a footwear somewhere around 5,000. Starting price for ladies 5,000, men's also 5,000. Aldo की तरफ से, like I mentioned, we are there for you. We are there to suffice our customers' requirement. We have the best product when it comes to fashion and sustainability and comfort. So please try us, come for us for any occasion. We'll be more than happy to serve you.
It's been an honor, honestly. It's I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but my favorite brand association, because y'all have always taken such good care of me.
Of course you will.
And honestly, I actually love using the products made by this brand. I'm a big advocate for it. I remember when my agency told me that this collaboration was going to happen, I was ecstatic. And it's been a great journey so far, and I'm sure it'll continue to be a great journey.
For sure, and that's why she fits.
Absolutely, as the face of the brand, she does. So, sir, would you also throw a little light on the campaign that we're launching?
Well, the campaign is called Wildflower. We shot this some time back. Well, it's about the freedom and the wildflowers that you see in the forest. When you walk into an Aldo store, do you ever secretly want everything?
I definitely want everything in this store, including the men's section.
Including the men's?
Yes.
Oh,
that's nice.
No, Delhi, thank you so much for having me here and the amazing turnout. I'm very happy to be here.
How are you enjoying the Delhi's weather, Janvi? I know it's not the best, but I hope it's treating you nice.
No, it's quite good actually. I think it's very pleasant. I'm enjoying my fleeting moments here.
How would you compare that to the weather of Mumbai? A lot of Delhiites are interested in knowing that.
I actually prefer the weather in Delhi right now.
Really?
I think the nude one that I carried right here for the event. I think it's
Sure.
nice too. And it goes with everything. I love the color.
I mean, it's just like you. It's glam, it's power, and it's everything Wildflower, right? So now one more question. If you had to imagine Aldo as your best friend, what kind of vibe would they bring into your life?
I think right now, especially with the new Wildflower collection, I think very summery, very positive, very light and energetic.
अगर आपने अभी तक सनराइज समाचार को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सनराइज समाचार को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए ताकि आप हमारे आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पा सकें।